Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate a 4% and 6% commission rate for selling a property. Let's start with the first example. Imagine you sell a property for $200,000 and the commission rate is 4%. Here's how you can calculate the commission using a calculator. In the first step, we will enter the sale price, that is 200,000. Then we will multiply it, so we will press the multiply button and we will multiply it with number 4, that is the commission rate. In the next step, we will press the percentage button and this is the answer. The 4% commission will be $8,000. Now let's move on to another example. Let's suppose you sell a property for $350,000. The commission rate is 6%. Here is how you can calculate the commission. In the first step, we will enter the sale price, that is $350,000. In the next step, we will press the multiply button. In the next step, we will press number 6, that is the commission rate, and at the last we will press the percentage sign. So here's the final answer. The 6% commission on a property sold for $350,000 will be $21,000. That's all for today's video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.